Welcome to Chicago. We are now doing our official launch of SiC implants from Imagine. We are introducing the tapered implant, but with two connections. One will be the hex connection, and the other will be the conical connection. This one's very interesting because this is the implant and this is the conical, but one thing here is, feel a little tap, doesn't come off. And then the screw, as you're screwing it down, it pushes it out that way. We are very excited to introduce a high quality Swiss-German manufactured implant, and we just can't wait to bring it to the market.